Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, and I am here today showing you how we're getting these bags to the post office. Now, our dear friends, Price Moving, are starting to move these great bags into the truck to get them over there. Now, between Cheryl Stokes at New American Mortgage, Price Moving, Premier Plus, and the Bartos Group, we hope you will fill a bag because St. Matthew's House needs this more than ever this year. This is our 5th annual food drive, and we look forward to having you participate. Let's make sure you do.